What is up, guys? I'm the Revenger's Hammer, and in today's video I will be reviewing the YYK 520. Okay, let's get to the unboxing. As you can see, it comes with a USB-C to USB-A type cable. Comes with some literature, quick start guide. The headset comes in a little black container. It's pretty rigid. It's a shiny plastic on top and a sort of matte plastic at the bottom. When you open it, it's the headset with earpiece. So let's start. Who is this headset actually meant for? I would say this is meant for some office worker or someone on the move and who doesn't want to pick up their phone the whole day. I myself use this for Microsoft Teams, and the one thing that I do like about this headset is the little plastic carry case. It's quite strong construction, very nice, very clean, very sleek. Houses the headset, has an LED on here that shows you the battery capacity. Charge it with the USB-C on the carry case. Alternatively, you can charge it directly on the headset itself. The headset has these two little magnetic connections as well as the magnets in the case. Gives you this satisfying click when it locks in. As you can see, it takes quite a bit of force in order to get it out. Another pro is the aesthetics. As you can see, you look quite professional. I will come up a little closer. This is what it looks like on the right ear. The biggest pro of this headset, multi-sync. What multi-sync means is that you can connect it to two devices simultaneously. I have it connected to my Windows 10 PC at work as well as my cell phone. Another pro is definitely the battery life. I charge the unit itself. I charge this maybe once a month or once every 3 weeks or so. In the morning at 8 o'clock, I take the headset out of the case, leave it on my desk. It automatically connects to both my devices, my cell phone and my work PC. Another pro is the price. It far outshines its competitors simply due to the multi-sync. So what are some of the cons? I wouldn't recommend this if your aim is to listen to music. This is primarily focused at calls. Okay, now let's go through some of the technical specifications. This is Bluetooth version 5.0. It works off a 2.4 gigahertz frequency. The mic sensitivity is to -42 decibels. The battery capacity is 60 milliamp hours. Okay, so audio test. Sound test 1, 2, 3. As you can hear, it's not that bad. Sound test 1, 2, 3. Okay, so let's just run through some of the pros again. Looks good. It has multi-sync. It's cheap. Con, definitely not for media or any form of YouTubing, that sort of deal. Now the con of this device, there aren't any. I will have a link in the description down below. I am the Revenger's Hammer and I hope you enjoyed this video. So please like and subscribe, more videos coming soon.